Subscribe to Nykaa TV and press the bell icon to make sure you never miss an update from us.
Hard work and persistence has always led me to success. When I was 18, it got me into IIT. When I was 21, I got a job at Infosys. And now that I'm 28, it'll get me a boyfriend.
डेट के लिए तैयारी कर ली बेटा?
हाँ माँ, उसका Facebook, Twitter, Instagram और LinkedIn सब कुछ चेक कर लिया. बस अभी लास्ट में रिवीजन कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा, God bless you. Too boardroom. It's too vampy. Too much. This is perfect.
हाँ मामा, रिसर्च के हिसाब से भी ना boys like nudes lipstick.
Okay मामा. अरे बेटा दूध तो पी के जा.
अम्मा आके पी लेती हूँ.
अच्छा एटलीस्ट पूजा तो कर ले.
ठीक है चलो. I know what you're thinking. This is all a little weird, right? Love is just supposed to happen, right? Wrong. I sat on my ass for 6 years, hoping the universe would just serve me love on a silver platter. That didn't happen. So now, my mother and I have taken matters in our own hands, just like I always have with my education and career. Yes, I'm nerding my way into love.
Come on, now can't you see? Don't you join the crowd, all my friends and me. Oh, yeah.
Dating is a numbers game. Believe me. I've had to sort through assortment of stoners, creeps, boys, even stoner creep boys until I met
Sumuki?
Hi.
Hey.
Sid, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
I like your lipstick.
Yeah, it's next level nude.
Oh?
The lipstick.
Oh, cool.
Nice, thank you.
So how is it going? Was it easy to find it?
Yeah, thank you so much. We finally met.
Yeah, we did.
It was very sweet of you.
Yeah. So, nice of you too.
Yeah.
I hate it when people objectify women, you know? In college, I did weed, but then I gave up. I moved on. And then, look at me, I just want to get into a long-term relationship. Hey!
I guess it's true what they say. Soulmates do exist.
Are you alright?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you like your job?
It's not my calling. I don't hate it. I don't want to shoot myself when I come back home. And that's a good feeling, right? Yeah. So I love my job.
Yeah?
What about you? Do you like your job?
I love consulting. But there are other things I indulge on.
And this is a world-class finish.
It's a lot of fun. I get to travel, so...
Oh, where all have you traveled?
I've been to Barcelona, Manchester, I've been to Arsenal.
You know what? Even I love to travel. I really want to go to Japan. Do you know, they have these toilets that wash your ass for you.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, Sumuki. You know, just that it's final going on between Manchester and Barcalousa.
Okay, then maybe we should do...
No, today. What is a date all about? It's about getting to know each other. Yeah. So, do you want to exchange seats so that TV is not my direct line of vision?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, why not? Yeah.
So you were saying something about Japan?
Oh, yeah. So, since I work in technology, I'm really fascinated by Japan. I mean, the kind of things they do, I really want to get that to India and maybe, you know, make it a little better. I need to pee. He has an unhealthy obsession for football. It's the final match, okay? It's understandable. It's okay. These were red flags even in your social media research. Okay, so he's a little bit obsessed with football. What, I give him the red card for that? Hell yeah! Anyway, if you could excuse me, I need to prep. Did you know that Crayon has never received a penalty in the EPL? Okay, you need to stop being desperate. Okay, you need to stop crossing the line, okay? Do you want help with that? Yeah? Help with that, yeah? Do you want help with that?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh. Did you order a cocktail for me?
That's true, Afsa. I thought you wouldn't drink.
Okay,
Hey, do you want to swap back?
No, it's okay. No, please watch. I mean, it's Lukaku's 8th consecutive goal, so you should watch that, yeah. Also, did you know, Ryan Giggs never received a penalty in EPL? Never. It's insane.
You're a Manchester fan.
Of course.
Oh, dude. Take me home, United Road, to the place I
belong.
Dude, I'm so happy.
Me too.
You know, I'm so relieved. मुझे इतना relief हो गया ना, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अब जाके लग रहा है connection बनेगा.
हाँ, बन ही जाएगा. Thank God.
You know, I want to tell you something.
Huh? Yeah, please tell me.
My ex, she was a huge Barca loser fan.
Oh.
मेरे को उस पर trust ही नहीं होता था.
Yeah, and you shouldn't trust her. I mean, I would never cheat on you. I mean, on Manchester or on you. I'm not a cheater.
So, okay, see, we both are fans. Do you want to go sit next to the bar and we both will watch TV together? I knew it.
You know I didn't mean it when I told you don't cross the line, right? Like, I would never do that. Never. What am I, stupid? Never. You talk to me like that one more time, I will make you look like the Joker. Yeah, I'll never do that, no. If you want to give this guy a chance, give him a chance. Even pretend to like football. But talk about your interests also. See if he cares for it. Make sure his personality isn't one-dimensional. Get it? Yeah, you're right. Of course you're right. You're always right.
And he sees red. His manager won't be pleased with him.
It's a gripping match. You know, while I really like football, I also really like Japanese movies.
Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah. I love Japanese movies.
Really?
Is it because of technology, no?
No. It's because they're not afraid to explore dark themes like revenge, hate, incest, even incest. It broadens your mind.
Totally. I loved Shaolin soccer. I totally get you.
I totally get you. He's an idiot. I told you. Man, one more football reference. I'm going to tackle him myself. I'm going to manhandle him. I just really wanted things to work out with him. I'm just tired of these boys, these stoners, these creeps. Can I just not have one fun night? Well, what's stopping you from doing that? Waiter, one whiskey on the rocks.
Oh. See, if you watch American football over soccer, फिर तो आप Indian में नहीं हो ना? You're not even Indian.
I know.
You know what I say? Sports is a great way to stay disciplined. मैं तो हर Sunday को friends के साथ ना FIFA खेलता हूँ.
Yeah.
Fernandez.
With the last 2 minutes and third and final push from Manchester, they just might be able to flush out last year's defeat.
You know what I think? I think national sport of India is football होना चाहिए.
Good intercept. Anyone get on to the end of this one? Oh, good clearance.
Oh, do you like kids? Is that your nephew?
From this freak. Well, he needs to be hitting the target from that distance.
It's Beckham's son.
Let's see that one
You're
again.
joking, right? It's such a stand-up comedy. Oh, bro, ये क्या कर रहे हैं यार? They're being so stupid. ऐसा तो देखो, I'll explain to you. See, if this is the ball, this is the defender, this is the attacker. He should have kicked it, in the front, and then he's. Oh.
What is wrong with you? Go pick up my lipstick.
This could be a
Give it back.
chance.
Waiter, check please.
That's my phone. So, Mughi, I'm really sorry. I know the football has taken our date, but I like you and I want to meet you again. And
Fine. Okay, but can we next time, please just pick a non-football venue or like, I don't know, a non-cricket venue or non-any.
The final whistle as Manchester have suffered a huge defeat to the market losers. Ironically, the winners of this year's competition.
Are you?
Such humiliation has never been seen before for the mighty Reds.
Keep the change.
I do hope they hold their